Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Dr. Bhavna Manoj from Divine Veda. In the previous video, we have talked about psoriasis and the diet and lifestyle management that one has to follow in the condition. The link for the video is given in the description box. Please do have a watch if you have not watched it yet. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to click the bell button to get notified from us. The main aim of Ayurveda is to find out the root cause of the condition and to treat them accordingly. The involvement of each doshas are analyzed carefully in each patient, and according to the condition, the treatment procedures are started for the condition of psoriasis. Ayurveda explains that all kind of unhealthy conditions in the body is caused due to ama, which can be considered as the undigested food particles in the body. And this is the condition which leads to all kind of health related issues and ailments in body. Thus, Ayurveda gives importance in cleansing the doshas and toxins from the body as well as the blood, which is accomplished by the Panchakarma therapies. If the patient is suffering from psoriasis, which is dominated by Vata dosha, then he is administered with ghee internally. And if the patient is dominated by Kapha dosha, then Vamana therapy or the emetic therapies are selected. If Pitta dosha is dominated, then treatment procedures like Rakta Mokshana, which is bloodletting therapy, Virechana or purgation therapies are selected. Thus, the Ayurvedic management principles are as follows. Let me explain. First one is Shodhana Chikitsa, which can be compared to detoxification. The Panchakarma therapies like Vamana, Virechana, Rakta Mokshana are advised and opted for this condition. Shamana Chikitsa, where both the internal medications as well as the external applicatory methods are followed in the condition. And this is selected according to the symptom of the condition as well as the condition of the patient. Medicines like Kashayam, Churnam, Lepam, Ghritam, etc. are selected according to the condition of each patient and the symptoms. Some of the external applicatory therapies are like the paste of Ela, Kushta, Darvi, Shatapushpa, Chitraka, Vidanga, Rasanjana and Abhaya. All these are very effective in curing the conditions. Also, the paste of Lodra, Dhataki, seeds of Karanja, Naktamala and Malati are also used in the proper application of the body as well as ointment, which is called as Alepana in Ayurveda. And these powders are also used in the procedures of Udvartana according to the condition. Some of the external therapies are like Takradhara, Abhyanga, Tailadhara, Lepana, Parisheka, etc. It is also explained in Ayurveda that a person should take bath with the herbal drugs like Musta, Triphala, Madana, Aragvada, Karanja, Saptaparna. All should be taken together and boiled in water, and this water can be used for bath. And this is called as Siddharthaka Snana, which is very effective in conditions of Kushta. Decoction of the 8 herbal drugs like Rasanjana, Nimba and Patola, Aragvada and Kotaja, Triphala, Saptaparna, Ashwamara, all are used in the procedures like bathing, internal drinking, external application, rubbing, dusting, etc. Rasayana Chikitsa. In order to arrest the recurring condition of psoriasis as well as to improve the immunity, Rasayana Chikitsa has been followed in Ayurveda. And this is explained by the Acharyas very well and very specifically. Treatment modalities with immunomodulators are carried out in such conditions. Management of stress. As explained in the previous videos, in psoriatic conditions, stress flares up the conditions. And regarding such conditions, we need to provide some treatment modalities like Shirodhara, Takradhara, which is also selected according to the condition of the success of the treatment depends upon the severity of the condition as well as your commitment to the treatment. In my medical, I have personally witnessed so many patients being cured by the condition of psoriasis. I have been working with Dr. Rekha Kumar Naidu from Deepam Ayurveda Panchakarma Center in Chennai, and where we have successfully cured so much of cases, and she has got so many great results in psoriasis. And it is very happy to let people know that Ayurveda has given such impact and such great results in psoriatic conditions. I would like to share a treatment protocol for the condition of psoriasis which we have followed and we have got great results. A 32-year-old male patient presenting with the symptoms of psoriasis along with psoriatic arthritic conditions. He was diagnosed with Eka Kushta, that means he was having the predominance of Kapha and Pitta dosha in his body. The basic principle for all type of Kushta is Samshodhana and Samshamana. Thus, the treatment we followed was Virechana and Vamana, along with the internal medications with medicines like Limba Amradadi Eranda, Panchatikta Grita, Gugulu Tiktaka Kashayam, Gandhaka Rasayanam, Arogya Vardhini Vati, etc. And these medicines were taken for about 1 month prior to the start of the treatment. And during the 5 months of the follow-up time, we were accordingly changing the internal medicines he was following according to the response he was giving to the medicines. And during the follow-up period of 5 months, the patient was not having the symptoms of recurrence of the condition. Along with the internal medicines, the other treatment procedures which were given importance were like Agni Deepaka Aushadha Sevanam, where Amapachanam was given importance to attain an optimal stage of GI tract. Snehapanam, where drinking of medicated grita or ghee was provided. Sarvanga Abhyanga, according to the condition of the patient and selecting a proper oil. Sarvanga Abhyanga or a whole body massage was given to the patient. Svedanam, Niruhavasti, Vamanam, Samsarjanakrama. I would also like to share the picture which was snapped before the treatment and after the treatment. You yourself can see the difference. Ayurveda emphasizes right from the proper detoxification of the body, starting from the blood purification, cleansing the toxic levels from the liver, and finally regenerating the body cells. The treatment protocol is freely available from Divine Veda's website. So in short, there is no doubt that Ayurveda is having a promising future in the treatment and management of psoriasis. I hope that you all have an idea about this condition called as psoriasis, the symptoms related to this condition, the food which you have to take and you have to avoid, and the treatment modalities which are followed in Ayurveda. So please make sure that you follow a healthy and a proper diet, and if you have any problems relating to psoriasis, don't feel shy. Please contact to Divine Veda. We are here to help you and support you. And make sure you follow and keep your psoriasis under control. We as a team, Divine Veda, are here to share knowledge with you. We will be sharing videos regarding each and every health related conditions, lifestyle modifications, diet and yoga. Please do comment your response and ideas regarding this condition and let us know which is the health topic you want us to talk about. Thank you for listening and thank you for supporting Divine Veda. Here's Dr. Bhavna Manoj signing off. We'll meet you soon with another video. Thank you and have a great day. Namaste.